So I'm with.
Run over by. Sorry.
We could get runned over.
I could push you. Or is that recording?
Yes.
Uh-oh.
First, we have to buy the cake mix because my mum said, "Trust me, it's going to be better."
It defeats the point of making a cake though.
Kind of. Yes, please.
Fan force.
Ish. Which one's fan force? Ma. The normal one.
Isn't that one?
I don't know which one we usually put on. Oh, okay. Cool.
We need to lightly grease and line a 20 centimeters by 6 centimeters. Deep.
Aha. Okay. So which
one?
should we use the one with handles? No, this looks like it's removed.
The one in the right hand.
This one.
Okay.
Mix it well. We'll use the medium one.
I have the same box.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
There we go.
Good job.
Ta-da.
2/3 of a cup of milk. Empty the cake mix into a bowl. Add milk, eggs.
Oh. So I'm not gonna do that. So fragile. Ah, that's good enough.
Ew.
Now, second egg. There we go. Oh, that was perfect. Now. Oil.
Oh yeah, oil. I forgot about oil.
60 grams, which is 3 tablespoons. So, which oil should we use? 1, 2, 3. If I was following the advice of TikTok, I would be putting this on Christopher Luxon's head. Because they want him to oil up, which is strange. And he doesn't know what it means, so it's the funniest thing ever.
Now we gotta mix it.
Chuck it over there.
Mix.
Beat with an electric mixer on medium speed for 2 to 3 minutes until thoroughly combined. Can't we just mix it ourselves?
Yes, you can.
Yeah.
Because an electric mixer, that's using electricity, but a real mixer, like me, that's just slave labor, which is better. And now we just start mixing it. Now do we pour it, or do we have to add something else?
Did we grease the thing?
No. Pour into cake tin and bake for 40 to 50. Let's look at it now.
Ew, his eyes are hard.
Yeah. Oh.
No.
Damn it. Spatula's not stiff enough. No, that's fine. Yippee. Butter. I'm gonna pour it. Blah.
What if we burn this cake?
I don't think we can. There.
We probably could use the spatula for that.
Put it in the middle. And now it cooks for 40 minutes. Now, it's been cooking for a while, and we're going to take it out of the oven. There we go. And test it to make sure it's not going to be all uncooked. Perfect. So now I'm going to let it cool down, and we can eat it. And put sprinkles on it and candles.
Candles.
There we go.
I'm a smart guy.
You've had both.
Oh,
Aha!
is that all? Oh, why did you leave that one? Oh my god.
Why did I leave that one? Yes! How many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. 29 candles. Well, whoever's 29th birthday it is, happy birthday. For whatever reason.
There's so much wax on the cake.
Oh. Oh, and there's black wax too.
Stop.
Maybe I should put the candles out. Ready?
Okay. There we go. Oh, smart.
Yay!
I like the smell.
Yeah, not this time.
I don't know if I want this cake anymore. Kind of looks like icing if you like.
Yeah, actually. As of context, it looks like icing, yeah. Oh. Let's get Rig Dad's opinion.
Alright. Oh wow. So complete with candle wax?
Yep.
Cool.
Well, Rig Dead special.
Well, it's all part of, I guess that would come under the fat food group. So no protein, carbs and fat. So carbs and fat courtesy of candle wax. Lovely. Here we go. Just rigid, I don't know how you do it. Light, fluffy, bite into it.
Okay.
Like an
And I dropped it.
Oh, is that for me?
Yep. Rig
Oh.
Dad's cake.
I'm thrilled to get 2 pieces. That's brilliant. Thank you
Two
so
each.
much. Excellent. Let me just carefully remove the wax.
Meanwhile, he's eating it anyway.
Yeah, well, let's get into it.
Remember, I had Coke and Wheat Bix.
Great.
Getting Wheat Bix, putting Coke in it. 3, 2, 1. What the hell?
Oh, is it Wheat Bix and Coke?
Yeah.
Bruh. It's alright.
Coke and Wheat Bix,
Yeah.
cake and wax. What can we expect next?
What do you think? Now, I'm the last one to try. I haven't had any except for the batter.
Try the wax.
It tastes like cake, funnily enough. Crunchy on the outside and fluffy on the inside. It's really good, actually. Yeah. Yeah.
You are an inspiration to Gen Zs around the world. That if you can do it, anyone can do it. 我中文这么说，这个，这个 cake 是英文，是不是 ？Sorry， 用汉语，这是什么？就是这个叫什么？
我会说一件啊。
饼干，哦，那是 biscuit。
Yeah, this is not a biscuit.
知道。